This is actually one of the most boring things a lot of people come across using their iPhones. So sometimes you try to connect your iPhone to your hotspot on your phone, and this is the message you get: remote hotspot failure. This is sometimes irritating, and most often some people don't restart their phones, or when they use their phone for a longer period, they don't restart it a bit to actually just let the phone kick in with new settings and all that. They don't do it. I mean, not resetting like the whole phone, but rebooting your phone. Like you go to the section and then you just turn off your phone, you shut it down for some minutes, and then you actually turn it back on. It helps to refresh the phone and then make the phone start working very perfect. So what you would want to do when you go to your hotspot, when you are actually not being able to connect to any device, and then you just see this message right here, you would want to go to your settings, and then you go to general right here, and then you scroll down till you see this section right here: transfer or reset iPhone. What you'd want to do is you tap on it, and then you tap on reset right here. You tap on reset, and then you are going to look through this section right here, and then you see this second one right here: reset network settings. You tap on it, and then you're actually going to input or type in your password, and after typing in your password, it's actually going to ask you to reset your device network, and you do so. Once you are able to reset your device network this way, is going to help you get your hotspot back, which is going to start working perfectly, and then this message right here wouldn't be presented to you any longer. So like this video up and also share with your friends whom you think this is actually going to really help them, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tips like this, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.